Have you heard of Builderall? Yeah, me either. Until now. This is Zeb Summers, and today I'm going to be talking about Builderall and how you can reach your first $1,000. Stay tuned. Hey guys, as promised, I'm going to go over Builderall today, but first and foremost, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, give me some comments, let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. If you have any questions, please drop them down in the comments and we'll get started. The link for this is the first link below, and I'm going to be going over what Builderall is and how to use it as a business. All right, so first thing first, what is Builderall? Builderall is a all-in-one platform for online digital marketers, and it also has an affiliate system. So you can build a real business online. You can create websites, stores, blogs, sell funnels, attract customers with their training on Facebook ads, YouTube, solo ads, whatever it is. They have training on all that stuff. They have capture page autoresponder software for emails. They have workflows and so much more. All right, so I could go on about that, but I want to get into the meat. Also, the plans are right here, right? So $9.90 for the web presence, which is just basically a website builder, digital marketing, which gives you a little bit more with their autoresponder, and then the $49.90 a month, which is the Builderall business, which is what we're talking about. Because if you want to be an affiliate and earn some money with Builderall, then you want the Builderall business. But at $49 a month, folks, you get so much, and the value is there. I'm going to go over this, and it's going to blow your mind. It made my jaw drop when I found this. I wish I would have found it a year ago, several months ago, because I would have saved a lot of money. But anyways, I found it now, and I'm happy that I did. If you didn't, if you don't know what it is, I'm going to go over what it is, and maybe you too will also be as surprised as I am with what Builderall actually is. And for $49 a month, it's a steal because your earning potential, I mean, you should be able to make your money back a month easily. And I'm going to show you how you can earn $1,000, $2,000 a month using Builderall and promoting it. And it's a pretty simple process. Wait until I show you the affiliate system. So let's just go in what this plan offers. You get unlimited access to all the tools and apps. You get a professional unlimited email marketing system. So they got their own autoresponder if you don't have one. So anybody coming in new to email marketing, this is golden because you don't have to pay for one. But if you already have one, it's no big deal because they have third-party integrations for their system, so you can bring in your email responder to their funnels. You got unlimited e-commerce. You got webinar streaming platform that you can use. You got a Facebook Messenger chatbot. They show you how to use that. They have training on all these pieces too. So they don't just have the tools, they also have training. And the best part about this is they got a huge Builderall business community. They do every Friday they do a webinar for people that are new to this. They also do training in their Facebook group constantly, and the owners are really integrated with all the users and affiliates of this program. So you can connect up to 15 domains. You can have unlimited pages. They have their own marketplace in case if you build your own digital products on ClickBank or JVZoo or wherever, you can also bring them into Builderall's marketplace. So they got their own support system and so much more, guys. I'm not going to read this whole list. You can see here it's very long. They got their own funnels. I mean, at $49 a month, and it's not junk. That's the crazy part to me. All right. Now, so $49 a month, and if you want to get in on this, I'll have a link in the description, so you can just go ahead and sign up. You can sign up for a 7-day free trial if you just want to poke around in it. But I would strongly urge, guys, if you're looking to promote or get into affiliate marketing, use this $49.90, go through the training, and start promoting this thing because you can earn some serious money. All right, so let's go on into Builderall, into the back end of Builderall. And I'm going to talk about the funnel system more than anything in this area. But this area, this is like a website builder. You get a mobile site builder, responsive blog, and app creators. So you can create your own apps and everything in this section. So it's pretty powerful. I'm just going to go into the sales funnels because I don't want to spend too much time. I can spend hours talking about this. So they have a bunch of funnels already made for you. And as you can see, right, I think this is their local, but this is their sales funnels, right? So if you had JVZoo, something to sell on there, they have a funnel for it. They have Facebook funnels and webinar funnels. They have ebook magnet funnel, bridge funnels, you name it. They already have all these funnels already created for you that you can just log in, use, and start creating a funnel, right? So they have local business funnels. That was the group I was in earlier. So you see there have a lawyer. If you know a lawyer, uh, if you know anybody local that owns a business, pool cleaning business, or HVAC or painters or barbershop, anybody like that, that's you could get them to sign up for this at $49 a month, and they'll get their own website, their own domain with funnels already built. And you can help them build that funnel, and they could train themselves, and they're probably going to save a fortune by using that and then using like Facebook ads to promote their business. So just with word of mouth with the local businesses, you could easily make your $50 back and probably earn a significant income to just get in your local community. And I'm going to show you how you can do that here in a few minutes. So that's just something powerful here. I'm going to move on down over on this side because we could spend too much time. This is the mail boss autoresponder, and not everybody uses this because a lot of people already have their own uh, autoresponder. But if you don't have an autoresponder, I strongly recommend using this one, especially since it's already part of the cost of the $49 a month, right? So there's some people out there that don't like it, but there's people out there that don't like GetResponse, Aweber, or SendLane, or anything else too, right? So uh, if you're new to this, definitely at least try it out because it's already included in the price, and you can't beat the price that they're charging on this. All right, so that's their mailing boss autoresponder. They have a design tool, a video apps. So they got a design studio to build presentations and stuff like that. They have video software, so you can actually animate videos or make floating videos with like HTML or with Flash videos, etc. They got an app builder, so you can do so many different things. You can do chat reviews. You can do click maps, so you can track where people are coming in and actually clicking on your websites. Uh, so much stuff here, right? So you get special add-ons. They got webinar that they do uh, all the time. I think once a week, every Friday they do webinars. So you can create your own webinar. You could create a webinar and then do a video of that webinar, right? So they got their own webinar software. I haven't tried that yet, but I probably will here soon. So much stuff here, folks. I mean, I, I'm not going to go too much deeper because, as you can see, you got Facebook bonuses and you got some bonuses from one of the owners here. But guys, I would strongly recommend if you're thinking about Builderall, click the link below, sign up, use it. If you don't like it, don't use it. But when I show you how you can earn money here, it's going to blow your mind, right? So we're going to go over, this is the earnings calculator. This is how you could earn some money doing this, right? So let me say over the year, I promote 20 people to uh, use the $49 business, right? And let's just say 10 of those actually become an affiliate. And each one of those 10 get 5 sales, right? So you can see right now that's going to bring me, just by getting 20 people to get the $49 uh, sale or business, Builderall business package. I'm sorry. How many will work as an affiliate? That's only 50% of them. And majority of them, if you sell them at 20, it's probably going to be 18 or 20, right? But I'm just being very conservative here, right? So 20 in a whole year. Come on, folks. You can get one a month. You could probably get 20 your first month, but you can just see each one of these 10. So I'm giving 50% become an affiliate, and each of those 50% only do 5 sales in a whole year. That's going to give you like an income of 1,047.90, right? So let's just say we got 30 people and 20 of them switched over. And out of them 20, 10 of them did sales, right? So you can start seeing your income start to tenfold, right? So it's pretty awesome how this works. And the more that these guys bring in, the more money you'll see, right? So if I bring in 100 people in 1 year and 50 of those convert and do 15 sales, look at that. That's your monthly income for the year, right? So the power behind this is pretty amazing. And what is happening here is you get paid on your sales, you get paid on commission for the monthly uh, renews, and you get a second tier offer, right? So you're getting paid off the second tier. So you're bringing in them and they're bringing in these, and you're getting paid off of these as well as these. So that's what makes this so powerful. Okay, guys. So I just want to go over that with you guys and just show you about how awesome this platform is. It's pretty crazy. I really like it. And again, if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button, press that like button, and also give me some comments, questions below if you have any. And if you're interested in Builderall, strongly suggest clicking the first link below. Get in, try it out, promote it, and start making some money. All right, guys, peace out. I hope you have a great day. See you on the next video.